I think you just have to remember that attorneys are people too. And just like any other profession, they're good attorneys and they're bad attorneys. There's good people and bad people in all professions. But just approach an attorney like we're a human being like anybody else. It's our job really is to make sure that the client is comfortable when they come in, and we let them know what they can expect in the process of working through the case, whether that's pre-trial, the trial itself, post-trial, how all that's going to look like, whether it's a civil matter or a criminal matter, whether it's divorce, personal injury, whatever it is. It doesn't matter if I've had 10,000 trials. If it's your first time in court, I'm trying to make you as comfortable as you can possibly be by telling you this is the courtroom we're going to be in. This is where you're going to sit. This is where the other side's going to sit. The attorney on the other side's going to start because they're the plaintiff, and then they're going to ask questions of their witnesses, and then I'm going to get a chance to cross-examine them, and then we get to put on our case, and the roles are reversed, and the judge is going to rule on issues of evidence. If the client knows what to expect, they can be more comfortable. And the reason why being comfortable is so important is because it's important for the client to be believable, number one, and likable, number two. Those are very important things. As an attorney, I try to be believable and likable, and you do that by having a good reputation and name from 25 years of practice like I've had in Gallatin and Sumner County in the Middle Tennessee area. But the client coming in, the first time that they've ever met the judge is going to be when they're in court. Even if I'm likable and believable, the proof comes in through witnesses in the witness box and exhibits we put in through those witnesses. So everything I say is argument conjecture. It's not proof. So that client has to be believable and likable. And if you're overly nervous, it can look like maybe you're not being genuine and you're not telling the truth. So preparedness is very important for the lawyer and for the client. The old saying is, luck is when preparation and opportunity meet. And so we want to be as lucky as we can in court by being prepared and knowing what's going to happen and when we have that opportunity to present our case before the court.